Good afternoon, DJ. It is Monday, October. Why the fuck am I in October? November 10th. The time is currently 1:26 p.m. PM session. Let's go. It's gonna be a short one for us here today. All right, because we gonna leave at 3, maybe 3:10 latest. We gonna leave. But just arrived at my desk. I arrived at my desk at 1:25. All right, as always, my weekly target is 5%. Daily target is $500 or $1,000, which we hit today. So we'll be done for the day, right? Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. All right, excited to see what price action has in store for us this PM session. Excited to continue to grow from the morning session into the PM session and continue to gain experience and get 1% better in these markets. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. No news of note to mention today or this PM's going into PM session, all right? But we're here anyway, tape reading, then we're trading, gaining experience. All right, risk going into today is already predetermined. It's 0.5% of account size, all right? Yeah. So yeah, I think I would just say that instead of just saying the number because it was 0.5% of whatever the account size is. Weekly program going to this week is a buy program. Okay, nothing's really happened in price to change that for me. All right. So electing to stick with being in a buy program. There was a setup at lunch that I want to talk about, DJ. Okay, that gave us the buy that we're seeing now. Yep, as far as my current understanding of price action goes, okay, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. So the trade that we were observing before we left for the morning session, as you can see, that's what happens, right? It's time and then price. Would have been a bust, all right? But if you waited post 11:30, all right, 11:45 macro, kilo, all right, it is a 12 midnight opening range low there. Those open ranges, man. Yeah, fucking, and we're in a discount, okay, of the weekly. Sorry, got like food stuck on it. And all right, swing low, displacement, market structure shift back above that. Okay, key level. All right, waited till 50%. And yeah, you would have been tagged in there. Stop right here. Let's see what the yeah, 4 contracts, risk in 0.5. Would have took something off here. We're in to take half what? Oh, it took 1 off here. All right. Have 3 left. I'll take 2 off here. If he gives it to us. The high of this 576 576.50. Yep, takes it there. It takes it right here by 2 ticks. So we need just a tick is all we need, just a tick. Even if I did get into this cell here, all right, this will be once we go taken out there, bing bang biggity bush re-entry, capitalize on this move. But anyway, I was watching it from here, but even if I wasn't sure about this and I got into this sale, all right, because we are above premium, we're above all opening prices. We take that liquidity, displays below, market structure shift here. All right, once we took that, want to keep that, want to see this invert price and keep it higher right here. Cool. Q, 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 Q. Yeah, solid, 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 solid stuff today, man. Ooh, I feel the power, and it's coming so effortlessly, and that's just the beauty of it. It's just I've been putting in the work. I've been putting in the work. I've been putting in that work. It's coming so effortlessly. Effortlessly. All the years, all the days, grinding, grinding. Who's above this? Kept higher. Oh, mate. I like this for buy here if it leaves an inefficiency here. I like this for buy. This is part of something that I've noticed in my backtesting session, which is I've included in my model, all right, based on opening range, high and low, first present fair value gap, M1, M15, and previous candles ranges. So if it leaves a busy here, all right, I'll be intrigued in this buy, all right, to come and take these relative equal highs here that we've created in price. So we can tape read it. Ooh, pa-da-pa-pa-pa. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. No MacD's. No MacD's. DJ, DJ, selector, pull up, pull up, pull up. All right, it's a big enough range for me to wait now. With this trade, would be looking target wise. The entry here, something up here, majority of here, partial, waiting for -2. A beautiful newsless day. Oh, mate. Taking morning AM session buy side. The contract. My drawers up here. Yeah, we'll be getting out for negative one there. Solid trade. Cool. So morning decline, PM's lunch rally, something like that. the breaker. That's why it didn't retrace into equilibrium, at least to offer me the opportunity. Well, target wise, we'll be looking here. Be a break even here. Let's leave this one for now. I'm still paying attention, but I don't need to have that on there for now. Tomorrow, though, I won't be here because it says bank holiday on Econo Day. It's Veterans Day, I believe. Yep. Nothing on here though. I see you. Look, subtle. It's subtle, but it's there. This would be interesting to me here. You would have hit -1 already, and your stop would be at candlesticks body. You will be getting tagged in here at the 50%. So let's pay attention to that trade as well. So I'm gonna set up to this morning. Stop would be here now. Now we are break even. Let's see how many contracts we were in this trade with. 22, goddamn. Okay, so I'll be taking 2 off here and probably about 10 off here. Oh, 8. Yeah. Solid sell. It'd be a break even on this trade here. Better than break even. Condition stage execution. Boy, me back. I swear to God, my back, boy, DJ. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Don't mean to put my buttocks all up in your face, DJ, but my back, boy. Ooh. I need a new chair. God damn. Oh, my nips all out and shit. Sorry. Oh, mate. Oh, I'm dip on a bro. Sorry. I like to free the nips, sometimes. They just be so caged up. They need to be free. Free the nips. Free the nips. Maybe get smashed out that bit. I better than break even after one, two, three, four partials. Majority of the trade will be off already, taken half off by -1. So by -2, 80% of the trade is gone. All right. Let's say 70%. But you still would be in this buy here. I don't be touching stuff. Mm. All right, so high is the same as lunch high on the 1 hour, so nothing needs to be done there. Let's get the low though. I want to see price use this as support to take buy side there. Man's getting tired, boy. A whole wave of tiredness just. Ooh. Ui. Mm. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh, me back, DJ. Me back, me back, me blow club back. Ui. 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 Oof. Ugh. Get some sugar up in here. Ow. Oh. Oh, you're back. Oh, fuck. What makes you think it doesn't go through your phone and do all that shit? Mm-hmm. Target wise. If it took you out here -0.5, then different would have. I'm taking a break even then. Way madness and badness. You'd be at risk could be at reduced. Hasn't hit -0.5. Don't know that's if that would have took you out really. I would have had it on it. High 6475, yeah, no. Wouldn't have taken you out. It's a huge range. We ain't been reaching nowhere yet. -0.5 is here. This is an old opening, closing. I believe it's a close. Yeah, it's a close. Like a Friday close. Low. Up here, we're looking at -1. Okay, so I'll know that. I don't need to have this on here. Just too much fibs going on here for me. Mm. I've watched Ends like twice now. I think it's the only series I want to just have on repeat. I'm just gonna have it on repeat. I'll go back and forth, but Ends, I always need to refresh myself for Ends. Negative 0.5, break even now. It's getting too easy. All right, DJ, go get out here soon. If I could go back and tell myself what I know now. Hmm. I see, like so clear, like where it could potentially be going. It's clear to me. I'll be interested in this cell. Target wise, so look in here. But for me, I would be in this one already, so I don't think I would be engaging in this trade. But nothing wrong with tape reading and watching, all right, seeing what happens. Mhm. Yeah, very solid. Yeah. Oh, I can look on the 15, so I don't need to go too far. Negative 0.5 for this huge range here is here, remember? And -1 was up here somewhere. Mhm. With this one close above, let's see what the morning one is saying. So closure back above that fair value gap. I'm taking a look with this. This probably was my first warning. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. I want to go up. And then when we came into it, close back above it. Yeah, close that trade, right? Cool. I'll collect more data on that and see. Closure back above below equals. I'll put alarm bells for now. But I can't think of a better word or way to put it. Alarm bells. Yep, -2. -19. Half of that, let's say, yeah, 19, half of that, 5, 4, 9. So take 2 of here and then, or 3 of here and then 6 of here. Yeah. -0.5 on this big range here. 0.25. -2.5. -2.5. I can't even bloody from the lunchtime trade. But nah, I'm seeing ya. All right, DJ. That's it for me. Gonna have to get ready soon to get out of here. So let's do a trade performance review and get out of here for this PM session. It was a short one, but very informative. Very informative. Waited till post 10:50, 10:15, 2:15. All right, to anticipate my setup. All right. From here, I knew that obviously our draw on liquidity was to take this buy side here. Okay, so post 2:15 when we had this sell, I'm waiting for the setup right after. I'm not like getting it at the time. I've learned my lessons enough to just wait, let the price tell me after the time. All right, that's when I'm anticipating. Take that buy side here. We get buy model 2 with draw on liquidity being up here. Obviously, um yeah, the one negative one is just a little bit above it. Entry here. And even saw this look sell here. All right, gave us -2. And then we watched this buy setup here that I've been noticing with using first percentage fair value gap. So yeah, a lot is I know you see it, DJ. I'm different trader, different analyst, and I know I'll be saying this every week. All right, that's just because every week I just feel it. I feel it. All right, just inside I feel different. I feel new. You know, every week that 1% is just compounding, and it's just I'm getting to the point. I like what I'm seeing. I like my understanding of these candlesticks. I like where I'm at, and most importantly is when I'm anticipating my setup, bro. When. Time and then price. But anyway, showed up, got 1% better, gained experience, all right, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session. Navigated this useless day effortlessly, flawlessly, all the lost leads you can think of. And I'm very happy and pleased with my performance today overall. Okay, so this is only just the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna keep maintaining this, all right, and just keep following this and just don't let up, all right, and yeah, I'll get to my final terminus in terms of life, right? Not just in the trades. And when I get to that terminus, obviously that terminus is gonna bring itself new challenges, all right? And the goalpost is gonna adjust, right? will be a different terminus that we're trying to get to. It's never accomplished. We're never done. We've never arrived. We never really arrive. Even when we arrive, there's still somewhere we need to get to, right? So the job is never done. All right. The job won't be done until I'm up there with my makeup. But yeah, that's when the job here will be done. But where for sure this PM session, can't think of anything really and truly. We just really taped red price because I went into this afternoon just purely tape reading price action, just following my setups and seeing obviously where my entries and my exits will be. Just because we already took a trade this morning and it was a profitable trade, there's no need for me to get back into the market and take more trades. Even though it's a demo, like I said, I'm trying practice how I'm gonna play, all right, and I'm trying to treat it how I'm gonna treat it when I'm really actually trading live. So it's not like I'm just like, oh, because it's a demo, I don't give a damn, and I'm just like bloody and just doing whatever, taking trades just to take trades and see. And I'm not about that no more. Right? There's a mindset shift happening here, and I'm very happy about it. So that's where I'm at. How can improve for next day, next trading session is just keep showing up, all right? Keep seeking excellence in everything I do, all right? Don't let short-term adversity. Did I do this in the morning? I don't remember saying this, you know? Don't let short-term adversity deviate from what got going on. I suppose like it's rehearsed because that's what I be saying every day, but it's not even rehearsed. It just is what it is, isn't it? But yeah, other than that, an amazing day, all right? I see you newsless. Some newsless days are just like rubbish. But today has been really, really nice. All right. And maybe because tomorrow is a bank holiday. Who knows? But today's been really nice. And it's kind of like, ooh, I'm feeling it. But I know not every newsless day is going to be like this. Okay. It's just, I'm going to show up anyway. And if I see myself, I see myself. If I don't see it, I don't see it. It is what it is. And I'm not fussed about nothing no more, you know? I'm not trying to force nothing. I'm not trying to, make anything happen in the charts that's not there. Just patience, anticipate, working on my anticipatory skills. All right. And trying to read the future really and truly of these candlesticks. But yeah, DJ, I go get ready still. All right, let's see if -1 gets hits on this big range here. It's up here. -3, bang bang, bing bang. My exit will be here around the low of the 3 there. Bang 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 bang. That would be my PM session trade. So one thing I did learn, or I'm collecting more data on, all right, is hey, if I'm in a trade, what are the characteristics I want to see? What are the characteristics I don't want to see, right? And in these kind of trades, which is the liquidity and the inversion, all right, I don't want to see price trade back above the inversion. Well, get a closure back above it. Oh, okay, that's my first warning. Hey, reduce trade, reduce risk on this trade, or eliminate the trade altogether. For now, I'll stick with just reducing risk. And then if we come back into it and we close back above it, it gives me the opportunity because it could have came back in here and then given us a large candle here to take us out of at reduced risk, right? And if it gives me another opportunity like it did in this terms to close the trade, then I'll just be closing it there. But this is something I will be collecting data on, all right, moving forward, DJ. So let's pay attention to that, all right? Like this, if these candles came and closed below, all right, then it would be it wouldn't negate the trade, but it would be alarm bells ringing. Hey, watch the trade, be aware what's happening, what's going on, okay? All right, DJ. Tomorrow we're off, all right, it's a bank holiday. I'm sure we'll be open for like a half day, but it's yeah. I don't do those things. Newsless days, I'm fine showing up, but when there's a clear like holiday and we have a gray folder, then yeah, that's me staying out the market really and truly. So we're off tomorrow, okay, and we'll be back Wednesday, all right, to see what's going. Wednesday will really be another tape session day, or it'll be a tape session reading tape session. What the fuck am I saying? Tape reading session. All right, just because it's a day post holiday, and as my procedures and protocol states, after a holiday, all right, sit still. Post holiday, sit still, tape read. So that's what we'll be doing on Wednesday, and then we'll resume demo trading Thursday and Friday. All right, DJ. Other than that, that's it for us today here. All right, see you until tomorrow, not tomorrow, Wednesday. See you Wednesday. Until Wednesday, all right. I'm the trader signing out here. All right, good luck, good trading. Oh my goodness. It's all right. Good luck, good trading. Happy hunting.